Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my neighbor Hibah. Hibah is back. You've been in Spain for like 3 months.
Yeah, I have.
Hibah, you want to tell them why or should I tell them why?
You can tell them.
Hibah doesn't like talking. Why are we doing a YouTube video? You don't even like talking. Okay,
No.
Hibah was just in Spain for about 2-3 months playing tennis. He was a professional international tennis player.
Not professional.
Almost professional international tennis player. He was back. She literally got back last night. I'm like, Hibah, we have to make a video. So today we are doing...
He's using me for views.
Maybe. Today we are filming. We're gonna see who is a better Indian chef. Okay, so you're actually Indian, for those who don't know.
Yeah.
And I'm not Indian, but I'm a chef.
I have no skill.
And you're a tennis player.
Talent.
So I feel like we kind of are even matched, maybe. I don't know. So we're just gonna make roti today. It's like the easiest Indian food. I feel like every person who makes Indian food needs to know how to make roti. So that's what we're gonna do, and let's just get started, I guess.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, so Hibah, do you actually know how to make roti? Okay, so Hibah doesn't actually know how to make roti. Let me give you a quick crash course on it, and then we'll get started, and you have to do without my help. Okay? Basically, roti's super simple. Right over here, we have some finely ground whole wheat flour. Okay? Also called, oh shoot, what's it called? Atta? I thought, oh, and maida is okay. Atta is whole wheat flour. Maida is all-purpose flour in Hindi. We got some water over here. We got some salt. And we have some oil. You can also use ghee, but like we're just gonna use oil. Okay, basically you're gonna put your flour in there, put some salt, put some oil, mix it up, add in your water till it's the right consistency, which I'm not gonna tell you what that is. You're gonna have to figure that out. And yeah, and then we're gonna let it rest and then make it. But that's all I can tell you. Okay, so you ready? Let's just get started. Fine. Okay, so I'm gonna start by. Oh yeah, take your rings off. We don't want to lose those. Okay, so I'm just going to add some of the roti flour.
I have no idea what I need.
Okay, so you're gonna figure it out as we go, all right?
All of it?
Well, let's save us some for kneading. So use like.
That much?
I can't tell you what to do, but use more than that.
Okay, that's like, okay.
That's good. Okay, fine. So don't copy what I'm doing exactly.
I'm obviously gonna copy you.
Okay, you do whatever you're doing. I'm not looking what you do. I'm just gonna do it how I make my roti, which is I just put a little salt, a little bit of oil, and start mixing it together with my hands. We washed our hands, don't worry. All right, no cheating. You can't look over here, by the way. You just looked.
Sorry, I don't know. Okay.
Right.
Wait, can I have the water?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the water in first. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, well, we kind of touched on it before. Hibah plays tennis internationally, and Hibah is literally basically not professional yet, but like.
I'm not professional.
So what are you? What's do you know your rank yet?
Yeah, I'm like currently 150 or something in the world, but I'm trying to get that like higher.
There's freaking 7 billion people in the world, and you're 150. That is crazy. And what are you in the U.S.? Do you know yet?
No, I don't have a.
Oh, since you're out of the U.S. league.
Yeah,
oh. So Hibah used to play in the U.S. leagues, but she's too good for that now. So.
Hey, Tom, does this look okay?
I'm not telling you.
No, help
Yeah,
me.
the whole point is it's a contest.
I have no.
If I help you, then it's cheating.
Oh.
If you mess it up, that's on you.
Okay, I obviously am, because I already think I messed it up.
Okay, keep trying.
I don't think.
See, I want to tell them what I'm doing, but like I'm not.
Tell them what you're doing.
No, but then you know.
No, no.
Fine, don't listen. Okay, well, can they hear? Maybe they can hear me on this mic. No, don't listen. Okay, basically what I'm doing, which he was gonna not listen. You're gonna be you're a strong, independent woman to do it yourself.
Sure.
I'm now just kneading the dough now that they come together, and then I'm gonna let it rest. But Hibah, you're gonna do whatever you want to do.
See how freaking sticky my hands are?
Hibah, this is a PG show.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so I've been made this video with Hibah because I'm getting so many requests, but the second most requested person, not to even come in, is my friend Nathan, who is getting me shots. You could say hi to the camera. They can see you. No, I'm not showing how messy it is behind there.
Oh, never mind. I'm sorry.
Nathan's here. Nathan's second most requested person. I get so many DMs, literally like, when can Nathan come? But ladies, Nathan's taken, so.
Oh.
That is true.
Professional. We'll do a little bit of flower bay action. Ready? And. Dude, but now we're all messy though.
Okay.
All right, we'll be back when our dough has risen.
Can this be? 3.
Ready for it? 3, 2, 1, boom! Oh shoot. We're not redoing that. That was good enough. Okay, so our dough is now ready, and let's just kind of. All right, mine looks good. It's a little more firm than I would want.
Haha, mine is soft.
Yeah, yours actually. Hibah's like yours literally looks better than mine.
It's also so sticky.
Maybe you're like actually. Oh wait, I'm not gonna say that. That would be mean. I was gonna say maybe you're the actual better one. Shots have been fired.
I'm literally just copying.
No, don't copy me. It's a competition.
I started doing this first. You copied me.
Fine, I'll do it like this then.
Okay.
No, that doesn't work.
Look at me. I'm doing my own thing.
Okay, you do
Oh
you.
my god, this is how my mom does it. Copy my mom. Eitan,
Okay, this is
move
gonna
out of
move
my
over.
way.
Move over.
No, move.
Where am I supposed to move?
Oh my god, this thing is so bad.
Oh my god, we need a bigger area than
Yeah,
this.
we do. It's getting me triggered. Okay, mine is not going to be circular whatsoever.
The perfect roti is perfectly circular, Hibah. So if your roti is not perfectly circular, then you have failed at making roti. So, or maybe a
I
triangle.
got it. No, you know what? I want to see you play tennis.
That would be a good
I
video.
see that. You're going way too fast.
Okay, so you can go slow.
Okay. Okay, this is good enough. Look at mine.
Professional. Look at this over here. Hibah is a professional.
I am professional.
I feel like your mom would be disappointed.
You're so upset.
Your mom's gonna watch this and be like, what type of daughter did I raise? Doesn't even know how to make roti. Oh my god, did Nathan fall?
Oh my god.
Nathan was laughing so hard, he almost fell.
But I feel like you could turn your accent on and off like Sam.
I can.
Nathan is here to film the video, and now he was just talking to him. The point of the video is to talk to me, and you're just talking to Nathan. Nathan is over here on a ladder to film the video, and he's now become part of the video.
You didn't say I was going to be part
Okay,
of
fine. You continue to be part of the video. Sorry. Okay, I'm done rolling mine. Are you done? With your fabulously looking... Whoa.
Honestly, yours does not look that good. To be honest.
Hey guys, welcome to Nathan's YouTube channel apparently now.
Hey guys.
All right, I guess...
Hey guys.
I guess-
Hey guys. Wait.
I guess my YouTube channel has been now taken over.
We're on Eitan Bernath's Instagram channel, and we're about to be cooking some food with Hibah, my next door neighbor. We're gonna make some food that is roti, just like one of my gerbils. And
Guinea pig! He's a freaking guinea pig. This video shoot... This video shoot went south quickly. Okay, fine. Clickbait. No, not clickbait.
Clickbait, my YouTube channel's taking over.
All right, let's get back to the roti. Okay, so now we're going to turn on. Now, Hibah, let's see if you know the name of this pan. Hopefully you do.
You're about to go tawa.
Yeah, tava.
Yeah.
Okay, so why do you say that? Okay, so I have two tavas over here that we're going to cook our roti on. All right, Hibah, I'm going to turn on our tavas right now.
Okay.
Did I say that right?
Yes, that was
Oh my god, there's so much wind, it's like going around. Okay, I'm going to start preheating our other one as well. We're going to get to the time. Now, I have a method of how I like to cook mine. How do you like to cook yours?
See, I don't know how to cook a ton. For the last time, I also have a fear of fire, so there's that. I'm like this.
Well, we're going to get over that fear really quick.
Okay, let's try.
I like to put some oil in my pan. Hibah, do you want oil in
Yes,
yours?
please.
You have to put it though.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Whoa, what do you do?
Can I not?
I got it.
Not on helping me. You can do it for me.
You're going to miss. You're not frying it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to put mine on. I'm going to come around here. Hibah, you can cook yours.
Wait, it's gonna be like burned.
Whoa, you just got oil. Hibah.
I told you I don't know. Where's the spoon thingy? Can I use this?
Yeah, that's what we're
I'm
going to
using
use.
this one.
Well, we only have one, so we're going to share.
No.
What do you want me to do with
Use
mine?
that.
Fine. I want to check on mine. Oh, that looks good.
Mine looks scary.
It
It looks scary.
Expectation.
Versus,
Reality.
oh my god, literally.
Literally. Oh.
See, ooh. Okay, so I know I'm gonna get comments down below that I put too much oil and that it's not like roti and that's more of like a
Eitan, watch me
paratha,
flip
which
this.
is fried. Okay,
Watch me
ready?
flip
I'm gonna back up.
I got it.
Okay, it looks pretty good. Wait, I'm actually not that happy with how mine came out. Like, I put too much oil.
Oh, here we go.
Happy?
Being the
No, I'm not.
perfectionist that he
Put
is.
more oil.
Yeah, I know, but that's
But,
Hibah's.
like,
Okay, now I'm gonna roast
Oh my
mine
god.
on the
Trying
open
to kill me.
fire.
Look at the pan, look at my leg.
Oh,
the spoon,
sorry.
Eitan.
Wait, no, I made a hole in mine.
Eitan,
Shoot, I ruined my roti. I made a hole.
You're sabotaging me.
Okay, I'm sorry. You go. You go first. I'll try to flip it like this. There we go.
Okay, guys, so mine broke.
Oh my, Hibah!
Whoa.
Hibah, please be careful.
Wait.
Oh my god! No, Hibah, can I help you? Even though it's competition, I have to help you because you're like destroying this.
I feel like your second one's gonna be better.
Okay, let's just move these here.
My second one?
It's reality versus expectation.
Expectation.
Oh no, expectation versus reality.
After both of our first attempts were complete fails, we then kept trying, had a bunch more failures, had some successes, maybe a little sabotage from Hibah in the middle, and eventually we were both happy with the rotis that we made, and it was time to present them to Natan. Okay, so the ultimate roti showdown that isn't that ultimate, as you can see, has come to an end.
I gotta close my eyes so I don't know which one I'm tasting. And I can say which one I like better.
No, but fine. First, we're going to judge on presentation, then taste.
We need a blindfold.
Yeah, I need blindfolds.
I don't have a blindfold.
Just get a shirt.
We're gonna clap and then come back with a clap and see blindfold.
Fine. Three, two, one. Okay, we are back. Natan has a blindfold on. Now, I realize, Natan, do you already know which one looks better? I think it's pretty clear. No, Natan, don't look. Come over here.
Whose were better?
Whose looks better?
Which one looks better, Eitan? Really?
No,
Really?
no.
Really?
Before the blindfold was on, which one looked better?
I think that you want a natural look, and you want the one that looks like it's falling apart more than the one that's together.
Okay, I think it's pretty clear that I won. Wait, let's present our best roti to Natan.
Okay.
Okay, presentation-wise, I would say I won. Like, come on.
Okay, can I look?
No, don't look. No.
Honestly, like mine is kind of good.
Okay, it's a little better than I thought you do, to be honest.
Yay.
All right, here's our now. Now let's cut off a little piece and give to Natan to try. Okay, we're not gonna tell Natan which one it is. All right, wait.
Me?
Shh, you just said me first. Okay, we're not gonna tell. So now, wait, give me them. I'm gonna hold each one. Now, can you move back so Natan come in? Come in the shot more. You're probably not. You're probably not in the shot. Okay, Natan, we're gonna give them in a random order. You're gonna try it, and then. By the way, you don't have a garbage out here, so you have to swallow it. Okay. And then yeah. So here is number one.
I got it.
Try it. This is number two. Now give us a description of each and which one is your favorite.
The one I just tried.
Oh, and you have to guess whose is whose.
Okay. Number one tastes more like a pancake. Number two tastes more like a pancake. Number one actually tastes like what you're trying to make. I think that number two tastes better than number one because number one, I keep saying it wrong. Number one is better than number two because number two is like a pancake. And I don't think you're trying to make a pancake.
Oh my god.
Were you trying to make a pancake?
Whose do you think was which?
Whose was which then?
Well, based off of people go, oh my god, she has number one.
So can I say my assessment of the situation? I think we can take the blindfold off now. Number one was Hibah and number two was me. I think you were just trying to trash mine. You knew that.
No, I just know that one tastes like a pancake and one doesn't.
Oh my gosh!
When you guys have your
Okay, I will admit, mine look better, but yours taste better.
Yeah! I know
Mine tastes.
I will admit. I have to admit it.
Wait, mine tastes better?
I have to admit it.
Oh my god. Guys,
Maybe we should switch careers.
Comment down below if I should switch careers, literally.
Eitan should not switch careers. You think this could play tennis? I love you, Eitan,
next
but
YouTube video
I'm
with
sorry.
Hibah. Next YouTube video with Hibah is gonna be
Him trying to.
me trying to play tennis.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are now done. Who would we say the winner is?
Guys, who would have ever thought that I would beat Eitan in a cooking battle or a roti off or whatever?
But like,
this
I don't
was?
know. Was this a fair competition?
I won. So.
All right, so I would say mine looked better, but overall I would say yours tastes better.
Yep.
Fine.
That's that.
So comment down below.
Matters.
Comment down below what your thoughts are. Who do you think won this competition? Do you think Eitan is the winner? Hibah is? Comment down below. Also, I'll put above a poll. Are you Team Eitan or Team Hibah? We want to know. You're for sure going to win, by the way.
I am.
Are you Team Eitan? Are you Team Hibah? Comment down below. Have you ever made roti before? After watching this video, are you going to make roti? And yeah, all right, this was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed having Hibah back on. Thank you so much for coming on my YouTube channel.
Anytime.
We'll be doing more videos. Trust me, I'm so happy you're home. How long are you home for, by the way?
2 weeks.
Sam, do you want to come in the video?
Sam!
Yo, my friend Sam is literally across the street. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and comment if you haven't already. I want to hear all your thoughts on it. And click that big red subscribe button. Should they click it?
No.
They should. It's free. It's big. It's red. Click it to be the first to know when I post new videos. Thank you guys for all being in my video. Smash the subscribe button.
Oh my goodness.
We just have to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. That is it. The video is over. This was a mess. Bye.